Hey guys, good morning. I've been kind of having fun vlogging lately, so I'm gonna keep sprinkling vlogs in with my normal content. I have a couple of errands to run this morning, so I thought I'd bring you along. I'm gonna go to Michael's first to pick up some, some props for photography. And then I'm gonna stop by Sprouts because it's Wednesday. And on Wednesdays, the sales from the previous week and the current week overlap. So I'll usually do the bulk of my shopping on Wednesdays and then just pick up other things to supplement throughout the week. Haven't eaten anything yet. I might fast till 2-ish today. We'll see. I did have coffee. For the past week, I have been revisiting the album American Idiot by Green Day, which now I think is 13-ish years old. We're at Michael's now, so let's go in. Didn't really have what I was looking for, but I did get some poster board in various sizes. This is great if you're photographing and you need to bounce light onto something. And then their frames were like 60% off. So I got this frame and then another poster frame for something I'll show you when I get back home. And now we are off to Sprouts. This album came out, I was thinking about this when I was driving over. It came out when I was in 8th grade, I think, which is so weird to think about. And at the time, I was going through this, or at least trying to go through this angsty, grungy phase. But I grew up in a really conservative household. Like, I was Catholic, and my parents wouldn't let me listen to Green Day, especially because it was a very politically charged album, you know? So I would listen to it stealthily, and this just reminds me of being sneaky, young, angsty Sarah. You know how I said I might fast? I was kidding. I just find food in my car and in my bags and everything. Just found a Cliff Bar. I'm gonna eat half of this. It's probably better that I'm eating something before I go anyway, just so that I don't make a bunch of impulsive snack purchases. Turned too early when I was driving here, and I ended up accidentally in the McDonald's parking lot, and a vague sense of panic washed over my body. But we have made it to Sprouts. I'm gonna run you through what I picked up. I didn't get too much this time. I think everything was on sale. So this juice was buy one, get one. So I picked up Concord grape and cranberry pomegranate. I think I'm gonna use this to flavor my kombucha. This is just juice and water, so there's no added sugar. Raw almonds were on sale, so I picked up a bunch of these. I mentioned a couple videos back I've been really into culturing raw nut cheeses, and I also want to try to make my own homemade almond milk. Actually, I'll show you what I got for that. I picked up like an old-fashioned milk bottle for my homemade almond milk and soy milk. For bulk items that I buy all the time like this, I just have a Ziploc bag and I Sharpied the PLU code on there so that I can just reuse the bag. I empty these into mason jars. Got some frozen edamame to put on salads. Red bell peppers were really cheap, so I picked up 3. Green onions, cilantro. I want to make a cilantro peanut pesto sometime this week. So I also got limes for that pesto, and also I always have limes and lemons to squeeze into my water, and raw peanuts for that pesto. Got a cauliflower. I make breaded cauliflower all the time. Green leaf lettuce. Some Brussels sprouts. Probably roast these sometime this week. Also avocados, 2 for $3. I feel like I pick up a block of tofu every time I go to the store because I go through it so fast. Unsweetened plain, coconut milk yogurt. I pretty much always have some of this on hand just to add to my cultured nut cheeses, cream cheese, sour cream, just to use as a starter for those things. I know technically you can just save some from your new batch, but I always forget to put some aside, so have this. Asparagus was on sale. I don't usually buy this, but I'll probably make some sort of roasted pasta dish with this. Also, I highly recommend these reusable produce bags. I use them all the time. You can get a huge pack of them on Amazon. I'll link them down below. A bunch of the Amazing Grass products were on sale, so I picked up some of their green superfood powder. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it was Caitlin Shoemaker who said she really likes this, and then based off that recommendation, bought some for my mom, and she likes it. She just got a Vitamix. Greens powders are pretty expensive. I will always wait till they're on sale to buy them. So this was something like $20 off. It's gonna work out to about 50 cents per serving. This is the chocolate flavor. I think I wanna have some right now. This is how I am with food. I have to try everything immediately. Earlier this week, I got some chocolate almond coconut milk and some toasted coconut almond milk at Califia Farms. It was buy one, get one on Sprouts. This stuff is really tasty. There's a scooper in here somewhere. There it is. I don't have greens powders every day, but here and there I like to supplement with them. Oh yeah, that's good. The best tasting greens powder I've tried so far. Just a couple more things. The Explore Cuisine brand also was buy one, get one. They make alternative pastas, so this is brown rice, pad thai, red rice pad thai. They make green lentil lasagna, edamame spaghetti, black bean spaghetti. So lots of different things to choose from that are a little bit higher in protein and also gluten-free. Probably gonna use one of these for the cilantro peanut pesto. Then one last frivolous thing that I really didn't need, but I was super curious about because I saw another vegan blogger recommend them on Instagram and they were buy one, get one. This is soda kombucha. So there's the Dr. kombucha and then the root beer kombucha. They are apparently not that high in sugar compared to regular soda. There's 8 grams per bottle. That's pretty good. That's so interesting. So that's my Sprouts grocery haul for the week. I get a lot of questions about what my grocery budget is per month, and it varies a lot. And also I spend so much more money than the average person on food because of my job. I'm always recipe testing. I try to buy new vegan products so that I can share them with you guys. And also I give away a lot of food. So yeah, don't really look at what I spend as indicative of what you would spend on a vegan diet, if you know what I mean. I'm super hungry. I'm gonna put this stuff away and then I'm gonna make lunch. Steaming rice. I'm gonna have it for lunch with some of my homemade kimchi. This is now ready while I'm waiting because it's gonna take about half an hour. Got my first vegan cut snack box in the mail and I thought I could go through and taste everything with you guys. I've already opened these. These are the coconut turmeric chocolate clusters by Theo. I don't really like the flavor of turmeric that much, which is why I always only put about a pinch of it if I'm using it for color, but these are really good. The chocolate in these has such good flavor. Maya Kaimal non-chips. Really good flavor. They almost taste a little sourdoughy, like a little tart. Mini Pops. This is air popped sorghum. This is the lemon sriracha flavor. Oh my god, how cute are these? This looks like tiny, tiny popcorn. Tastes like popcorn too. The lemon is very strong. I guess sorghum is higher in protein and iron and calcium and fiber than popcorn. T-Squares, tea-infused energy snack. 4 grams of protein in this guy, 30 mils of caffeine. The flavor is really good, and the texture. I feel like I'm so unpicky. I like literally everything. This is mostly puffed millet, and then it's got nuts and dried fruit and brown rice syrup. Got some protein bars. Raw Rev Glow, double chocolate brownie batter. Has the texture of a Lara bar. This is actually really good. Macros are 9 fat, 21 carb, 14 fiber, and 12 protein. I've never seen this brand anywhere though. True Women plant-fueled protein bar, peanut butter cup flavor. This one has 12 grams of protein as well. Brown rice protein, 8 grams of fat, 22 grams of carbs, pretty similar macros to the other bar. Ooh, this one is like chocolate dipped. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Mind you, I'm very used to the flavor of plant protein shakes, so it doesn't really bother me. I think it just tastes really good for a protein bar. Very few ingredients in this one as well. When you look on the back of a Cliff Builder bar, something like that, tons of ingredients. This looks very clean. So much stuff in here. Okay, roasted crunchy lentils. 7 grams of protein in this package. Look at these guys. Very peppery. I like that flavor. They remind me a lot of the texture of soybeans, roasted soybeans. You guys know I'm a salty snack fiend. Bixby Craft Candy Snack Bar. This is the strawberry, almond, cinnamon, dark chocolate flavor. Looks like it's mostly chocolate, almonds, dried strawberries, rice, and cinnamon. Cinnamon's a very nice unexpected flavor in there. Naturally More extra protein peanut butter spread has flax protein in there as well. There's crunchies in there. I like it. So there's brown rice protein in here as well. So in 3 tablespoons of this, there's 15 grams of protein. Evoke Cinnamuesli. Oats, cranberries, walnuts, apples, raisin, sunflower seeds, and cinnamon. This is good. It's not too sweet. But I feel like personally, if I'm gonna have something like this, I'd rather make it on my own. Pretty basic ingredients, but this is good. Wonder Fuel energy drink. So there's MCTs in here, which I don't know, Tim Ferriss talks about, but I don't actually know what they do. 0 caffeine, 0 added sugar. This one is not my favorite thing. Almost tastes alcoholic. It's very strange. Oh, I see there's cardamom in here. That's so weird. Okay, we've got also another energy drink. This is with coconut water. It's got vitamin C, pineapple, 114 mils of caffeine in here. So I would probably, if I were to have this, only have half of it, maybe before a workout. Mmm! This flavor is really good. So coconutty. This reminds me of, if you've ever had halo halo, it's a Filipino dessert, shaved ice, sweet beans, coconut shreds, and coconut jelly that you can add to your halo halo. This tastes like that. Mmm! This reminds me of my childhood. You know how I feel about things that make me nostalgic. I'm gonna cover this up because it's too late in the day to be getting super litty with caffeine. Nutiva lightly sweetened coconut treat, my stripper name. Oh, it's like one of those coconut macaroons. I already know I like this. The only thing that makes me sad about energy balls and raw coconut sweets like this is that they're so high in calories between the fat in the coconut and the sugar, and they're also so good. So you eat two and it's like 1,000,000 calories. Why can't everything be 0 calories? Sencha green tea, pink dragon fruit mints. Oh, look how cute they are. They have little leaves. Very yummy. But they're reminding me of, you know what, you go to the mall and there's those quarter machines and you can get the candies that are shaped like tiny fruits. This reminds me of those. So good. Wow, it's tasty. T to the A to the S-T-E-Y, girl, you tasty. Those are all the snacks from Vegan Cuts. That was a pretty solid box. I'm very impressed. So, favorite, plain old non-chips. Very tasty. These chocolate clusters are also extremely good. I would absolutely buy those again. This peanut butter cup protein bar, very good. They also sent over one of their beauty samplers. Maybe I'll show this in my next video because I don't want this to be too long. Plus, I'm really hungry and my rice has like 2 minutes left on it. Basmati rice, some edamame, my kimchi. I put too much salt in my first batch, so I can't eat it compulsively out of the jar like I usually would. I have to put it with rice or something to kind of absorb the extra salt. Other than that, I was really happy with how this came out. I ended up fermenting it for 4 days. I'll show you some footage of me opening the jars. They kind of exploded, so next time I will fill them up less, and also some of you recommended that I burp the kimchi, so just open up the jars and press it back down, let some of the extra air out. Also gonna put on some of this avocado. After eating those snacks though, I'm like not even that hungry anymore. Still gonna eat because I'm gonna climb later, so I need some extra energy, and also I did a really long leg day yesterday and my butt hurts so bad. I always try to eat a little extra when I'm sore just so that I'm recovering to the best of my abilities. Basmati rice is not sticky enough to eat with chopsticks. So tasty. Hey guys, I didn't end up vlogging the rest of that day. I just did a bunch of work and then went climbing for a couple hours, then came home, ate an ungodly amount of leftover barbecue tofu. Nothing too riveting, but I just want to come back on and thank you for watching the video. And in my next vlog, I will be flavoring and bottling my kombucha. It's almost ready for the second fermentation. I'm very excited. I ordered some of these reusable swing top bottles. Such a sucker for presentation and cute packaging, so I'm excited to use these. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye!